Look, come this way towards Grandpa.
Aren't you gonna do that?
Well, it's starting to rain. I'm not gonna be able to.
No, it's okay. It's just sprinkling. Just do it.
Make it go.
I don't have my driver's license.
You don't?
Right now. Because I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh, okay. But
and
you have...
everything's for free at this school.
Oh.
Can I buy this gardening tool thing?
No, I think you need to turn around and go the other way.
But oh my gosh, how come they make it a $99 one now?
I don't know.
Maybe if I get there, they'll change it. Because I work there. I work there. No! I'm not going there. Okay, I think I'm lost now. Hey, car.
Turn it one way and hold it. And then, no, yeah. But don't turn it so far. Turn it a little bit and just hold it and it'll keep going forward without turning it so fast.
That's this, Clever.
Okay.
I want it to go fast.
Oh, wow, you're really going now. Wow, all the way to the end. Have a race. Who's going faster? That's easy, Deborah.
One. Okay, we're not having a race back, okay? We're not. That was cheating.
You need to sit back first so your legs aren't all bent up. There you go.